travel, lodging is there. The total expense of this meeting, I'm expecting this much. So let's take an example. I'm taking hypothetical figure of 50 guests. I'm saying you're fooding for, I'm creating one more cell in between so that I can mention the per minute cost. So fooding, I'm saying it costing me around 300 bucks. Travel, I say 120 bucks. Lodging, I say it cost me 500 bucks per person. So I'll do the calculation. I'll say this into this and this into this and this into this. What is the total? I'd say total is this much. So now I'm being asked to make a summary stating that what would be the cost if I go for 50, if I go for 60, 70, 80, 85 and so on. The different variation should be displayed or to be shown to the manager to make sure that they plan the budget properly. So let's take a call. So how to get this value? By changing this data. So I have to change this value. I have to get the figures 50, 60, 17 and 80. Let it be 4 values only. So that purpose, let's go for data. What if? I say scenario manager. First and foremost thing, you have to click add. Scenario name, name it S1. Changing cell is, I say to change this guest. Okay. Just click OK. So I have to change, I'll say I have to change it to 60. Let it be first scenario. Fine. I'm getting another scenario that is S2. By changing this again 50 to be 70. Let me add it again. S1, S3 already been created, so I should not go for S3 again. I'm going for S2. I'm changing sale is again D3. I'm doing it let's say 60, 70 and let's say 80. I'll say S4. New cell is again 50, also for say 90. It's okay. So I'm having different cells altogether, different scenarios. So first scenario is for, I say this is for 60. Next scenario is of then one is for, I say 90. That's it. What a summary done. I want scenario summary to be there, not in a power table, in a summary format. You will create a summary for you. Let's say 20 you are having just 50 and current budget is 4600. If in scenario 1 of 60 guests, you will be having cost of this, and subsequently other scenarios been displayed. It is very good tool if you are having complex calculations to be avoided every time to calculate the total outcome. So in that case, you can test different cases with the different inputs to get the respective outputs based on the calculations.